Gemini, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for September 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pin comment, pakicheck nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see, Gemini. What's coming to you September 2024 for Gemini? Okay, you have the North Node, wow, which is about your future. So, magiging futuristic ka. Maaring meron ka mga gagawing actions ngayong September para sa future mo. Let's say, magsisimula ka na mag-ipon or meron ka ng, may pagpaplano ka na nagagawin for your future. Maari ring you are going to figure out kung ano yung destiny mo, yung iyong life's purpose. You also have descendant invitation. So, itong descendant is about your how you connect with other people. So this can also mean yung relationships mo sa ibang tao. So maaring you will connect more authentic, no, with others. Pwede rin yung iba sa inyo papasok sa isang relationship. Uh, yeah, if you are single. You also have Uranus, which is about change. Wow. So this is unexpected change. Major change in your life. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwede magkakaroon kayo ng um, parang sudden relationship, no? Parang bigla papasok ko sa isang relationship nang hindi mo inaakala, no? Minsan kasi ganun, hindi natin mapipredict yan na let's say, meron ka nakilala na tao and you feel like you are so much connected, deeply connected with this person. Tapos, hindi ka naman na nagpapatumpik-tumpik pa. And you feel like everything is okay para pumasok sa relationship. May mga ganun, kaya nga may tinatawag na whirlwind romance. So for some of you, you may experience yung tinatawag na whirlwind romance. Or for some naman, if this is not related to your relationship or having a relationship, this can mean partnership, like a business partnership for your future. Diba? Or someone is encouraging you, encourage na mag-partner kayo for a business, diba? Lalo na kung pareho talaga yung interest ninyo. So, your overall energy, the Seven of Wands. This is setting boundaries and also palaban. Alam mo yung minsan, people take advantage of us kasi parang we always give and give and give, no? Yung kung sino yung mahilig magbigay, ganyan. Akala nung iba, dahil always there ka, always willing to give, akala nila anytime pwede silang humingi sa'yo, no? This can be anything. Pwedeng humingi ng pabor, humingi ng pera, resources, humingi ng payo, ng time. Oo. So, ngayon, you're setting boundaries. Kasi syempre, you are also protecting your energy. Kaya may mga tinatawag na mga energy vampire. Kasi sila yung parang humihigop, sumisip-sip ng energy natin. Na parang they are getting from you kung ano yung kulang sa kanila. And that is draining, di ba? So ngayon, palaban ka, you are setting boundaries. And then your challenge is, Three of Swords. Nako, I think itong pagsiset mo ng boundaries will also affect yung relationships mo sa iba. Okay? Na ito yung tipong magkakaroon na ng alitan, samaan ng loob, disappointments with others, kasi hindi mo na napagbibigyan eh. 'Di ba? This can be anyone, sa friendship mo, sa family mo, loved ones. Uh, it can also, para siyang dito mo makikita kung sino talaga yung mga taong uh, nagmamahal sa'yo or who cares about you. Kasi kung they really care about you, they will respect your decision of setting boundaries. Pero kung iniisip lang nila yung sarili nila, they will take it against you. Na parang, ay si Gemini, ba't ganito, ang damot na, gano'n. Which is, wala ka namang utang sa kanila, paano ka naging madamot, 'di ba? So for you, for some of you, may mga times na ma-hurt ka sa mga sasabihin ng ibang tao sa inyo, or pwede rin namang ma-hurt ka sa mga relationships na mag-end dahil sa boundaries na sineset mo. Okay? But I think that's part of the plan. Okay? Itong Uranus energy na to kasi maaring magkakaroon ka ng eureka moment, or parang realization about your life na teka, I'm not going anywhere. Hindi na ako nakakapag-prepare for my future kasi lagi ko iniisip yung ibang tao. So now, you are setting that boundaries para sa sarili mo naman. 'Di ba? So your opportunity is the Eight of Wands, o taking action. Uh, Kumbaga, tinan mo, umaangat siya, oh. Meron siyang direksyon, paangat. So, yan yung gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo, na umangat pa, mag-excel, mas maging focus sa pag-unlad. Okay? So, you have the opportunity to take care of yourself. Yung iba naman, opportunity for travel, no? For other travel opportunities, like pwedeng bigayan ng work mo, may free travels, or pinaghirapan mo talaga. And mga messages din to, yung 8 of Wands. So, maaring marami kang messages na marireceive ngayong September, especially if you have a business na may mga inquiries. And ito rin ay mga errands na gagawin, na kailangang asikasuhin. So, maaring marami kang kailangang asikasuhin ngayong September na nangangailangan ng pagpunta sa iba't ibang lugar. Okay? So, your blessing is the Knight of Wands. So, this is about taking a risk. So, yung iba sa inyo, palaban talaga kayo. Yun yung blessing nyo. Kasi the moment na nagkaroon ka na ng lakas ng loob, na i-pursue yung gusto mo, magtutuloy-tuloy na talaga siya. No? Ay parang uh, the universe will push you to that direction. Kasi alam niya na yun yung gusto mong gawin. Doon ka mas empowered, doon ka mas ready. Okay? Let's see your money, career, finances. You have the Two of Wands. Maaring meron kang decision making na gagawin. Some of you are planning to travel abroad, go to some places. Some of you naman, you want to, parang meron kang kinoconsider na ibang bagay, no, sa iyong career or sa business or sa trabaho mo. Actually, matagal ka nang nag-iisip tungkol dyan, no? Let's say you want to go abroad, or gusto mo nang i-pursue yung studies mo, or gusto mo nang subukan tong negosyo na to, or mag-resign sa trabaho mo. So, matagal mo nang pinag-iisipan yan, and I feel like ngayong September, magkakaroon ka na ng clarity sa kung ano yung, kung saang direksyon na yung gusto mong tahakin when it comes to your career path, yung business mo. Okay? So, let's see your love life. Okay, so for the love life, you have the Four of Swords, the Two of Swords, and the Page of Wands. So some of you, pwedeng meron ditong relationships na nag-end in the past, no? Na ngayong September, you will continue to heal from that. Lalo na ito ngayon challenge ninyo na pwedeng all at the same time, may ika-cut off ka ng connections, can be romantic, family, friendship, na you feel like abusive na sa'yo or parang taking advantage of you. And you will continuously heal from that. And from there, minsan magda-doubt ka sa sarili mo, tama ba yung ginawa ko? Tama ba yung kinut off ko tong taong to sa buhay mo? Sa buhay ko, ganon. Now, I think with the Page of Wands, mas magiging exciting yung buhay mo the moment na palayain mo yung sarili mo sa ganong klaseng situation. And part of healing for you is to travel. So, pwedeng ikaw ay maglalabas. Oo. Pwedeng ikaw ay, you will have your own, yung parang, yung iba, no? Kaya nilang mag-travel on their own. Solo traveling. Kasi sa tingin nila, mas nakakapagbigay sila ng time for themselves. Although, yung iba natatakot sa solo traveling, but yung iba, they find it healing. They find it peaceful. Let's see what else. They have Person of Water, This can be the person na makaka-deal mo, or someone that is related to you, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And this is about your emotions as well. So I think mas magiging sensitive ka sa nararamdaman mo. You have, feeling helpless. Oh. Actually, dalawang ano to dalawang energy. So, may mga times na you will feel helpless. Pero the moment na ah, mas panindigan mo yung sarili mo, dun ka magkakaroon ng power. Mm-mm. And this will also bring abundance and prosperity sa'yo. See, you are protecting your energies. Mm-mm. Kumbaga, kung sa tingin mo walang ibang magtatanggol sa'yo, kundi sarili mo, then yes, ipagtatanggol mo yung sarili mo. You will protect yourself. Villain, you can always rewrite the story. Minsan kasi kapag ikaw ay nag-cut off ng person sa buhay mo, minsan sasabihin nila masama yung ugali mo, ikaw yung kontrabida. But actually, it's not. Kung talagang maganda yung intentions mo about sa paggawa ng ganon, uh, there's nothing wrong with cutting off people sa buhay natin. As long as we believe na yun yung makakabuti para sa lahat. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. Bye!